Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by assembling the evidence and opening App Store Connect. This saves time because reviewers need precise info. Once you have the rejection text, screenshot, and the build number, reproduce the issue on a device and record step-by-step actions. Make sure to note device model and iOS version. Reviewers respond faster to clear, repeatable repro steps. After that, draft a concise explanation of the change you will make so you can fix and resubmit without guesswork. Now, modify the app in the simplest way that resolves the reviewer's concern. Avoid sweeping refactors. Once code or metadata is adjusted, test the minimal repro path end-to-end. Then, in App Store Connect, paste exact reproduction steps and include test credentials if needed. Explain why the change fixes the issue in 1 or 2 sentences. Make sure to increment the build number, upload the binary, and choose a targeted release that prevents confusing reviewers with unrelated modifications. Finally, submit the new build and watch the review status closely. Don't walk away. Once submitted, if Apple asks questions, reply promptly and attach logs, screenshots, or a short video showing the fix. If the app is rejected again, request specific clarification and include your previous attempts. This documents your process and speeds up resolution. Only escalate to an appeal when you have clear, reproducible evidence that your change meets guideline requirements. That is the only way to force a definitive ruling.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.